Hey everybody, how's it going? So I'm back here with the 2021.5 GPX TSE250R. Got a little goodie that came in. IMS shifter. And I actually did buy this. I didn't even bother them. The guys, gals at IMS Products have treated me good over the years, but this was 30 bucks on Amazon. I just bought it. Companies are having trouble right now, so I figured why not just support them. You can pause it, or I also will have the information now listed in the description box of every video of the GPX here from now on after I try this out. So we're going to try to see if this fits. This is, people say this Honda from IMS shifter will work. It says it's a, I think that's a C170 XR and XL80, 100, 125, 185, 200. First, you'll need an 8mm socket. Let's see which way. Yeah, that way. To take off this one from GPX. Okay. And comes right off. So here's the GPX shifter. Here's the IMS one. IMS one looks like a tad bit longer, but otherwise the same footprint, if you will, as this OEM one, which is, looks like billet. But we'll just throw this to the side. It's still good, nothing wrong with it. The IMS shifter here, you'll need a 10mm. So it's a little bit bigger, so a 10mm socket. There we go, just push it on. I'm in the groove. So it does fit the spline. That was one thing I was concerned about. Now I'm making these videos because somebody said it would work, but no one shows pictures or it going on actually working. So, you know, it's just things riders want to be confident when they're ordering parts that they actually work. There we go. And being that steel, man, that's on. That's not going anywhere. So it's roughly in the same position. We can check. It comes up. It has clearance here. It's a little close all the way up, but you shouldn't need to go all that far up anyways. Then down's fine. There we have it. It folds. So foldable end, spring loaded. The OEM one is also spring loaded. It's just metal here. This has the nice rubber, you know, for shifting, makes it a little softer. If you don't like that feel, then I guess look for something like this. But this is just a quick little video to show you the shifter I got and that it does work. So please like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and thanks for watching.